Hi guys, welcome to the Source Sounds video. We've got a 2023 BMW 420. This vehicle came originally with the basic audio package, which didn't have the tweeters, and obviously got the cheaper woofers and no amplifier in there, a RAM module in the rear. So what we've done is we've treated it to our upgraded package with the Audison DSP amp, 8-inch under-seat woofers, mids and tweeters. We've bought some additional parts from BMW, fitted these in the stock location. I'll show you everything now, show you the quality of the upgraded speakers and also the really poor quality stuff that BMW fit as standard. But this upgrade really does give it much more zing, much more bottom end, and what the car really deserves. I'll show it you all now. Okay, so we're now at the rear of the vehicle. I'm just showing you the factory equipment. It's just on top of our boxes at the moment. So what you've got is you've got these woofers here. Now it's actually a 6-inch woofer, as you can see. Power handling of this this unit, as you can see, there's only 15 watts. So it's a 4-ohm 15-watt speaker. Not a very good underseat woofer. We've replaced these with our Audison. So that 8-inch woofer there, but I'll physically show you one of those in a few moments. Then in the front of the vehicle, there was obviously these factory plastics. What we've done with this, and these didn't have a location for a tweeter. And then in the doors, there was their original sort of 4-inch, 3-inch, 4-inch mid-range. Again, not particularly high-powered, not very good quality. What we've done with this is we've added our Audison DSP amplifier, this one here, and we've upgraded the speakers and the underseat woofers here. But I'll show you that now and show you in the vehicle once it's all done. Okay, so this is now our Audison underseat 8-inch woofer. As you can see, much larger than the factory one. Just a far better sounding and a much more attacky sound. I'll show you the mid-range and the tweeters. So this is the mid-range unit that we're going to be fitting. Again, far better quality than the factory ones. And then the tweeter, this is the Audison Prima tweeter for the BMW's vehicle specific. And I'll show you the housing as well. Okay, so this is the finish now in the vehicle. So we've upgraded the speakers in the stock location. We've changed these plastics. As you can see there, they fit lovely. It's a lovely vehicle inside. Obviously just didn't sound that great. But now we've added our package in here and it absolutely cranks. So for further information on upgrading your BMW, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.